Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how to fix your payment method was declined on iPhone in iOS 18 update. So guys, if you have updated your update your device and you are facing a problem that your payment method was declined, so guys, how can you fix it? So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, for that you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys you have to just simply tap on your profile, and from here guys simply scroll it below, and here's the option of payment and shipping. Tap on it. Now from here guys you have to just simply remove your payment method for one time, and after this go back and scroll it below, and here's the option of media and purchases. Tap on it. Tap on view account and wait some seconds again. And from here guys simply tap on country or region. Again wait some seconds. Now from here guys simply tap on change country or region. Select your residential country. From here guys simply tap on agree, and from here guys simply tap add your billing payment method here, and after that simply give your information, give billing name, billing address, and after this save this information, and after this guys hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos help you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.